Hello, I'm Diane from Vermont Lavender, and today we're going to talk about how to seal the tea bags. And so right here I have 4 of them laid out, and they are filled with the tea leaves. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll have some photos on my web store and my website. And so I lay them out 4 at a time, and I have my iron, my trusty iron from my mom, and it's from the 1950s. It's a nice heavy iron, and I have it on steam. I don't know if you can hear that. And I just seal the very top part of it. And the steam helps to seal the bag so none of the tea leaves come out. And it probably would help if I had it on. But it's still extremely hot. So it's just the press and seal tea bags. And I ordered these from Mountain Rose Herbs. Okay. So I just want to make sure that they're nicely sealed. And you can usually it doesn't take that long. When you have your iron on, it goes a lot quicker. Okay, so let's see if that's good. So I have my bowl right here, and I'm going to flip it right over. And that one's not coming out. I put my finished ones in another area because I don't want to mix my teas after they're done. And see, this one's not totally sealed. That's not good right there. You don't want that. So I'm going to reseal that one. This one, same thing. Okay, so let's try one more time on this because the iron wasn't hot enough. There, now it's sealing it. There we go. And lavender is a great tea to drink for relaxation, but you also get the medicinal properties of it because it's really good for digestion, and it's a nice aromatherapy herb too. It helps with relaxation, it helps you to sleep better. Oops, that one's still coming out. That's my quality control right here. So that one's pretty good. I'll probably seal that one again. And then this one here. And so I will go over this one more time. I'll do that test again to make sure that they're nicely sealed. And these are my tea bags right here. I have peppermint, Aronia berry, and black currant. My lavender spearmint. I make a dandelion tea with calendula, sage, and lemongrass, and also dandelion because it's really good for either a cleansing or a digestive tea. And my lavender spearmint tea, and I also have a lavender green tea. And then the citrus one, I'm working on getting that sealed up today. It's a website that I have for growing and using herbs, and my Vermont Lavender store is where I sell all my lavender products that I make from the herbs I grow. So thank you for tuning in, and subscribe to my channel at YouTube Vermont Lavender. Thank you.